Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on Fiverr. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in fiverr.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your Fiverr account. Now on the screen on the top left corner, you're gonna see a 3-line menu. Tap on it. From there, you can switch into your seller account or buyer account by scrolling down. Now, tap on account from there and tap on profile. Once you tap on profile, your screen will look somewhat like this. From here, you can change your display name, your display picture, and if you scroll down, you can add description. You can change languages, add skills, education, certifications, etc. And guys, that's it. That's how you edit profile on Fiverr. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.